Thank you for tuning into the Crypto SB channel. My name is Dan SB. It's August 8th, 2018, and the current price of XRP is at 35 cents. So, as we know now, yesterday the big news was the SEC postpones key decision on a cryptocurrency ETF. The big price of Bitcoin fell sharply on Wednesday. It comes after the Securities and Exchange Commission postponed its decision on whether it would approve a Bitcoin exchange fund proposed by the Van Eck and Solid X. This is Van Eck's third attempt to push a Bitcoin ETF through. So, of course, as we all know, again, this was postponed, and sure enough, the market definitely reacted to that news. And just again to kind of recap how the market more or less has been the last few weeks, a lot of hype in the news about these ETFs, a lot of indecision, and nothing really coming out from the SEC. Some of the first ETFs were postponed or rejected, and we started to see the price of Bitcoin come down. Then we finally got that news from yesterday, and sure enough, we've been seeing now this massive sell-off. So I have been covering this for a while. We were definitely running the risk of getting into these support levels from 2017. So yesterday, as we can see here, XRP just dropped and dropped and dropped. Kind of held a little bit at 37 cents, trying to come back up, fell further. Now we're looking at 34 cents, trying to pull above 35, but I have a feeling, looking at the volume candle here, it's really probably not going to be enough. It looks like, though, we got all the way down to the 8 on the RSI, which is extremely low, but we'll see. I have a feeling this might continue to keep going down, and again, we're probably going to start looking towards now some previous supports not seen since before the bull run, as you can see here. Let's see, right now we are at 34 cents, so we're definitely using the support from December 12th, and that's right now again at 34 cents. If we continue to see some more selling, we're going to probably look towards 29 and 28 cents. If we get down to 28 cents, we haven't been this far back since, as far as using that as a support or resistance level, since December 12th, and December 7th, and even as far back as November 28th of 2017. So, this is where research and opportunity comes into play. I know I've shared a lot of information on my channel, but the information is not limited to my channel. There's other great YouTubers, and there's also a lot of information online: Twitter, XRP chat, Reddit, rippleinsights.com. Ripple.com/insights. And these are the moments where you remind yourself, are you in this for the future, or are you in this for just a quick gain? I've been saying it for a while now. We've definitely run the risk of getting really low. These prices have been lurking on the charts now for a good couple of weeks now, and every time we test, we continued to test 42 cents. The next support that was lurking was 38 cents. So I hope none of you are too surprised. I did run up a poll yesterday on Twitter, and 45% of the community said that they were surprised to see these prices. 55% said no. So I just really wanted to gauge how the market was feeling yesterday, and again, this is the best time to remind yourself why you're invested and what you're invested in. Now, this is not limited to just XRP. This can certainly be applied to any other cryptocurrency or any investment in general that you believe in. What was the reason that you got into whatever cryptocurrency of your choice? Was it because of what they were working on? Is it because you believed in what the utility could be applied to in the future? So, a lot of opportunities are presenting themselves that haven't been seen since prior to the bull run. And it's not to say that another major bull run won't happen, but it's also not to say that the prices may not fall again. So, this is this is how an unregulated market behaves. Um, People with a lot of money and a lot of control in this market can easily manipulate the prices. Big news like that, when a lot of hope is being put um, into a decision from the SEC, obviously, as we can see now, has a big effect on the market. And we can definitely continue to expect the same leading up to this decision. Just imagine if a decision is made, how much of an opposite reaction this may have. So again, just wanted to put this information out there. I know a lot of you already know this information, but I feel like there's a lot of new investors in this market that might have just gotten burned. And I know I was kind of there when I first started. I had a lot of questions. I didn't really understand how the market behaved, and that's really what drew me to start to learn how to do charts and technical analysis. So looking at this real quick right now, just to give a quick forecast on the current price. Um, Certainly the RSI got very low, so we're at a very, very underbought range. It looks like we're trying to slightly rebound, and naturally that would be something we will probably see a few times. I wouldn't rule out possibly seeing the price shoot back up to the 40s, but I do think it would take a lot more volume to get there. Now that's also very reliant as well on Bitcoin. Bitcoin's in pretty much the same scenario. Not seeing too much volume coming back, so we might see it drop a little bit further. But ultimately, though, I think we might see these prices maybe for the next couple of days, and definitely see how things roll into over the weekend and leading into next week. So again, I know I don't have too much news for you guys today. I actually have to get to work, but I thought it was very important to put this video out. And again, if you're surprised at this price range, please come over to my Twitter and vote. And I'm just trying to gauge again the sentiment of the market right now, which I think is kind of obvious, but still, I really hope some of you weren't caught by surprise. And that's pretty much it. I certainly look forward to the next few days. I want to come out with some other new videos and cover some other new stuff. But right now, I think it's important to put this information out there. And if you haven't already followed me on YouTube, please subscribe. And that is pretty much it for today. I will definitely see you guys on my next video. So again, thank you for being here, and I hope you all have a great day.